Alright, hi everybody. I just received my package today, so I decided to do an unboxing video. I'm gonna open it up with my Uncle Henry pocket knife. I ordered the Exodus Trek trail camera package, public land package. So I paid $155. Says, thank you, save $25 off your next trail cam. Wow, that's cool. That's awesome. $25 off your next camera you buy. So it came with the Master Python lock. 6 foot. That would be cool. Here's the camera. Exodus, Life's a Passion. Pursue it. And then comes with a nice cam lock box. Cam lock. So hopefully that keeps my camera safe. Pretty cool. Alright, let's open this box up. Looks like no damage, which is good. Wow. Oh, there she is. Exodus Trek. Good size. Looks well built. Comes with a nice cord. I think you plug that into the computer. Comes with a nice strap. Some more stuff. Warranty card. That'll be good to warranty. Ooh, look at that. I got a nice sticker. That's cool. I always love stickers. And at the very bottom is your manual. Haha. User manual. So that's pretty cool what I received from Exodus. Here's the camera. Wow. That's pretty nice. I bought this for my birthday, which is October 5th. It has Python places to attach that. Here's where you attach the strap through there. You have 2 swivel mounts you can attach. Here's where you put your batteries. There's the sound microphone. There we go. Plug in something there. 12-volt battery. And that'll be my review unboxing video of the Exodus Trek. public land package. Thank you. So this is my first time setting up my Exodus truck. I didn't put the lock box on because it was my first time, so I just did the Python lock today. And the strap connecting it to the tree. And then over here, where I have it pointed to, I have apples cut in half on the bush. So hopefully I can get some deer and bear. I have it on picture mode for right now. And I'll be back in a week or two, see what I got. Alright, I'm back. It's almost 3 weeks later. Came back to check my trail camera. And here she is. So you're gonna open her up, put her on off, and then you can take that SIM card, SD card out. I always call it SIM card, so sadly. I'm gonna bring it down here. Here's the SD card. And then I bought this off Amazon for around $8 to $10. $8 to $10. Alright. Then I got another iPhone. Turn it on. Plug it in. So the SD card's right there. Plug it in. Then your iPhone should come to this import place.